What are we starting with?
Here, sit here. Oh!
Sorry, Mommy.
That's okay.
That was you, Mommy.
Hi, everybody.
Welcome to Mommy's channel. Welcome to Mommy's channel.
Today
Welcome to Mommy's channel. No, stop.
So today I have two guests with me, and they have been here before. They have been begging me to do my makeup for a while now. Do you guys want to do Mommy's makeup?
Yes.
How long have you been asking to do my makeup?
A bunch.
A bunch. Are we finally gonna do it?
Yeah. I want to do it every day.
I don't know about that. If you guys do like this video, please don't forget to give me a
big thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And do not forget to turn that bell notification on so that you don't miss any of my videos. All right, boys, you ready to do my makeup?
Yeah. Yes.
Let's get started. Thank you. We got Puppy in this too. So many kisses. There's Perry. Oh, she wants to be in the video too.
She likes to look you.
Are you gonna do my makeup too, Puppy?
You're ready. You're so cute. You're super cute.
Perhaps we'll start this today.
2,000 years later.
So the boys are priming my face right now, and they're using the Ordinary primer.
That's everything.
This is the high spreadability fluid primer, and I love it.
Next, we're gonna do concealer. Yeah!
Oh my goodness.
I want one. I'll do it the other eye.
Oh, good job. They are concealing right now using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Oh. Good? Done? Okay.
Ooh.
Right now, Grayson is setting my concealer using the Pure 4-in-1
There.
pressed powder. Okay. Very
Put it on
nice.
her eyes.
Parker, you're so gentle.
Hey, Mommy.
Thanks,
What
babe.
about me?
You're so gentle too. Good job. Does it?
It looks cool.
It looks
Look,
cool.
everyone, I'm sleeping. I have to do it that way. I have to do it that way.
Well, you're gonna do this one.
What do we do for this part?
That you just brush the color through my eyebrow.
Parker, your
It's
turn.
Parker's turn.
Just that one first.
Oh,
What are you doing?
a little higher, my eyebrow. Oh, higher, not my eyelash, my eyebrow.
Yeah,
That's the eyebrow.
Now we can't brush it.
Yeah, you're gonna brush it. They just used the Benefit, do you remember what it's called?
Eyelash.
Goof. Proof.
Benefit Poos Prince.
The Benefit Goof Proof Pencil.
I'm doing eyebrow shedding gel.
Good job.
My turn. Parker, can I smell it?
Hold on. Oh,
I did not smell it.
good job.
Yum.
Now we are going to move into eyeshadow using the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette. And I got it in BoxyCharm a couple months ago.
On your eyebrow?
No, oh, eyelid.
Wait.
Right there, yep. Right on here, Parky.
That's really cool. That's over, right?
Pear. Okay, oh, that's a lot. Okay. Oh my goodness, and the dog's barking. It's mayhem. Puppy. Okay, you're gonna do my mascara first?
Yes, I do it first. See if it's okay for Parker. Ooh.
Oh, good Lord. Okay. That feels good.
To hear her.
I still hear Perry too.
Let me go on that.
Oh, right here, baby. Parker.
I think Perry came in.
Yeah, she did. Okay, Parker. Oh, Parky, let me wipe your hands. Oh, wow. Okay, wait, don't touch anything. Oh, Houston, we've got some problems. We got a crazy dog. We got mascara everywhere. Hold on. Hold on. Don't move. I'm gonna get a wipe.
Parker's about to come.
No, sit. This is the Benefit Cheekathon palette that is most definitely expired by now. That's for Hula, right there. So that one. You do this side of my face and Parker does this one. That's bronzer. Now it's Parker's turn to do bronzer. Here, Parky. Whoa, I'm getting bronzed. Feel like I'm ready for the beach.
Me too, I'm ready for the beach too.
You're ready for the beach too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there's sharks in there.
There's sharks in there?
Yeah.
Only if you go in the ocean, and they're not always in the ocean. Well, I mean, I guess they...
But we went in the ocean a while ago, right?
Yeah, we went a while
Which
ago.
one does this go in?
You just put it right on top. There's no sharks in when we went last time, right? Because we didn't go super far out into
where
the
does
ocean.
this go?
Grayson's basically going into all the colors. First,
And we bring chairs there.
we did bring chairs. We brought chairs to the beach.
So we can walk.
Yeah, we walked. That's right. Eric made us walk 2 or 3 miles
I took this one.
with 2 kids and beach chairs. That's Corliss. You're going to do that one again?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh.
Here, Mommy.
That looks pretty. You
I
want
hear
it to-
the rain. I hear rain.
Nice.
I want to smell. Oh, it smells yummy.
Oh my God. You both got bronzer on your nose. Look at that face. Okay, we're doing Helia from the Aurora palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ooh, and now he's going into Eclipse.
My turn.
Does that look pretty? Now we're doing Luna. Ooh, look at that glow.
It's on.
All right,
That's really pretty cool.
that is pretty cool. Now Grayson's going in with some Orion.
I like you.
You like me?
Yeah.
I like you. In fact, I love you.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Sparkly.
Super sparkly.
Sparkle. On to sparkle.
Oh, it's your turn, yeah.
This looks sparkle.
We are getting highlighted to the gods.
Pretty cool.
It's pretty cool. Skill of Spectra.
Sparkle.
Spectra.
Oh,
Not my turn.
one more.
My turn.
Hey, let's not fight. Real life, people, real life. Now we're gonna go into ColourPop's Money Move lipstick.
they're done.
What do you think?
It's cute.
It's cute?
Can I see your lips?
Mascara.
No, that's not mascara, that's lipstick.
Can I see your lipstick?
You like the lipstick?
We twist it. We twist it.
Yep. Okay, so, oh, look how pretty I look. Look at that glow, for real.
Woo!
Further back.
My turn.
Nice, good job.
It's so hard.
Here.
I'll do it.
Okay, last try. Push like this.
Push it really hard.
Oh, you did it! Okay, last bit. Oh, good lord. Okay. No, we're all done now. All right, well, this is the final look. Didn't my boys do such a good job?
Yay!
If you did like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, please be sure to.
Watch Mommy's videos.
And
Subscribe.
that's right, you gotta subscribe. And turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos.
You look pretty. You look so pretty.
Aw, thanks, boys. Mwah.
I got mascara everywhere.
See you guys next time.
See you next time.
Bye bye now.
Yeah, we're going bye-bye now.
They're going bye-bye.